I was on my way home right now, but a video I just posted, someone commented about how, people are confused about what form is what, and as far as like tax forms go, which one you get at the end of the year, which ones you fill out when you get a job, all that kind of stuff, right? And I just wanted to make you guys aware, just a little bit of background on why I started doing taxes. I've been wanting to do it since I was young. Like it was like 2010. I was probably like 20 or 21, right? Or just turned 21 or about to turn 21, somewhere around there. And I was getting my taxes filed at this place called, if you're from LA, you probably know what it was called Instant Tax Service. They are now Gateway, right? So I went to go file my taxes. This is when me and my husband like first got together, okay? But he wasn't my husband, of course. He was just my boyfriend, right? So I went to go get my taxes filed, and the lady, like when she was filing my taxes, she told me like, oh yeah, I can get you back like $4,000. And I'm young, I don't know, she's like, I can get you like, I think I was like 20, as a matter of fact. So she's like, I can get you back like $4,000, and, but you have to give me $1,500, right? This is what she told me, that I had to give her $1,500. Right then, I've never been like the gullible type to believe anything you say. Like, I need proof. I need to know that this is legit. But she didn't say it in a way like, oh, I'm hook you up, give me $1,500. Well, she did, but she made it seem like I had to give it to her. Like, I can't remember the exact verbiage, but she made it seem as if I had to give her the money. Like, I couldn't get the $4,000 if I didn't give her the $1,500. So I went home. I told my boyfriend at the time, which is my husband now. I told him, I'm like, yeah, she said I have to give her. And he's like, just give it to her because she hooked you up. Like, he's thinking she's doing something illegal, like, So I'm like, it just didn't sit well with me. I'm like, no, this just don't sound right. Like, if the IRS is giving it to me, that means that she didn't do nothing special. She put in the numbers from my W-2s, and that's why I'm getting back what I'm getting back. You know what I'm saying? So fast forward, the check comes. She tells me, I said to myself, and my friend took me, I didn't have a car at the time. I said, you know what? If the check prints and the check says that it's, $4,000, like if she didn't take her money ahead of time, then I know that she lied. Like, I know that I'm not supposed to or required to give her this. Sure enough, the check prints, she gives it to me, it's $4,000. It was a check cash in place. All the instant tax services were next door to like Ace Cash Expresses, right? So they knew what's up. Like, you could just go next door and cash your check. So when I get to the tax place, she give me the check. She got this man, right? She has this man at the door, like taking me to she wants him to walk me to the tax place, but he stood outside like a bodyguard. So I went inside. I told the lady, I said, this lady's trying to take my money. And the check cashing lady was like shocked, like, what the hell? That's not right. I'm like, lie to her and tell her that I can't cash checks here because I cash bad checks. Like, tell her whatever. Sure enough, she did it. The check cashing lady did it for me. She lied to the lady. So she tells the man to take me to another check cashing place down the street. So we go down. So my friend was driving, but we pretended like we were on the bus. Like, she told my friend, got in the car and followed us, but the whole time they thought we walked there or got on the bus or whatever. He didn't know that my friend was following us. So we get to the other check cash place. I'm in there. I'm like nervous. I'm like, I don't know what to do. Like, because I don't want to give him this money. Like, this is my money. Like, I don't want to give it to him, So I get to the check cash place. The goddamn check casher place had 2 doors. I called my friend. I'm like, girl, it got 2 doors. Meet me at the back door, blah, blah, blah. Run out the back door, get in my friend's car. I'm like ducking down in the car like some real getaway movie type shit. I'm looking back at the man, and he's still sitting there. Like, I have no clue to this day when he went back and told, the lady where I went. Like, I don't know if she thinking he lied. I don't know what the case is. Like, what, I don't know what happened after that. I never seen those people again. But just to, I was gonna say long story short, but this seemed like it was pretty long. But the point of the matter is, I got away with my whole $4,000 because this lady tried to jip me, and I knew what she was doing, and I wasn't going for it. Even young and all, I knew I was not the naive type. I brought that up that long story, I'm sorry, but I just want to tell you that it is very important to know. Don't be gullible. Do your research. Google is phenomenal right now for research. You know what I'm saying? If you don't have a phone, go to a library. Do what you have to do your own research. It is so common nowadays that people come to me and they don't know what form is this, or they don't know what that is, or they don't know. And it's important for you guys to know, because people will try to get over on you, and especially tax season. A lot of preparers are not legit preparers. Do your research. Look at their credentials. Make sure they're doing and saying what they're saying that they're doing, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? It's very important. Just keep that in mind.